So my name is Didier Chavet. I'm working for SanDisk for 12 years. I was based in headquarters for 8 years, and now I've actually moved to Shanghai since 2008. From a Camstar perspective, very interesting. We started from ground zero, so that was actually a very neat place to be into. The factory was a first for SanDisk. Some people were actually questioning if we needed a manufacturing execution system, and I knew we needed one, although I didn't have much experience at that time. We went through a selection process in 2006. It was very accelerated. We had only 30 days to make actually a selection. Very aggressive, actually. SanDisk is very aggressive in general. We had 3 candidates, and Camstar came to headquarters, and they were extremely responsive. Very good response to all of our business requirements, and it was an easy choice, essentially. Very good choice. And from there, it has been a great success story. It was what we would call one of the fastest MES implementation. We did it in 60 days, but it was a new factory. So we had the advantage of starting from scratch. From August 2006 to December 2006, essentially 60 working days were dedicated to that project. And we essentially went live with absolutely no problem. Every application you end up installing in your factory will have a touch point with your MES system. A good example is the integration between Camstar manufacturing or ERP system. In 2009, we migrated from QED to SAP. This is all automated. They love it. Avoid duplicate information, right? So essentially you don't have to transact information in both systems. The business really see the value of being more productive that way. You can scale if your volume increase. What I really liked about Camstar is they were really focusing on MES. They were actually very, I'm gonna say, integrated. A lot of their competitors at that time became big shops. They were acquiring a lot of other companies. So they had all kinds of modules. The UI was different, didn't look very integrated, it wasn't very clean. Camstar was really focused. This is what we do, this is our business. We offer a manufacturing package, and on top of that, they had a suite for different industries. And so the semiconductor suite had pre-existing transaction that would actually enable us to do a rapid deployment. Because you didn't have to create, for instance, memory test. When you come out of memory test, you have the good bin, and then you have the good devices, and then you have the failed devices. And we call them hard bins, right? Camstar had the screen to automatically do the good receipt, and they knew that they would have a separation. So the screen was there. We didn't have to reinvent the UI. So they brought that. They brought the forms for the semiconductor industry out of the box. So ERP integration, factory automation, and then the next steps was yield management, and then Camstar quality. MES was capable to create an event into Camstar quality, and here you go. You have your quality deviation notice. And this is an event to which you can associate a workflow. And that workflow will drive people to a resolution because you get task and your measure on your task, right? You have to act upon your task, get them executed. And the last step is most of the time, a disposition decision, and you need to decide if either you can send a signal back to MES and let the lot go again, or you have to remove the product and move to MRB. So it's all integrated. That was a great step forward. Really, really, people really loved it. When you engage yourself in such a big project, you're really trying to guarantee success. Right? It's very important. So collaboration is probably my first advice. Very good collaboration with your vendor. Having a good relationship with Camstar has really helped us moving along because the company has a good vision, and I think it really helped us adopting their solution.